Okay, hello, greetings and welcome everyone. Now, we've had a request for a Intrinsic Energies workshop later in the year, and there's a gap between the 1st November workshop and the December workshop at the end of November, in the last 2 weeks. And if you're interested in attending a workshop at that time, just let me know and I'll put it on the website. I don't normally run workshops for just one person, but if there's 2, 3, 4 people who want to come and join in, then I'm quite happy to run that workshop. So drop us an email if you're interested. We'll put it straight after the Elastic Force workshop in the beginning of November, and I just started on the following Monday and run it for 10 days. So if you're interested for that, just let me know, and we'll get that scheduled. Okay, thanks for your time. Bye.